Alright, out in the backyard. Bar is back there somewhere behind 6 feet of drift. Backyard, we just did a quick shovel out of the back door so we could get out, but the house is covered in ice and snow. And I tried to shovel a little path up onto our porch so Ace could potentially get through there, but the snow's up to the railings. We got a little path out to the street, but nobody around right now. Massive snow things hanging off the house, and this is up to my waist right here. Our cars are back there somewhere, and the street is pretty much totally untouched. That's up the street and down the street. This is somebody's car here. I don't know whose this is, but anyway, it's gonna be a long dig out.